Hey everyone, welcome to hashcat Online. Hashcat Online can recover all kinds of passwords and hashes, PDF, Office documents, zip files, RAR files, and other hashes too. So we need to know which one to process your upload with. Choosing the wrong kind will result in an email saying your password can't be found. If you're unsure of your hash type, or look at this list, please contact us. So let's get this done. We're going to choose our file to upload, and I'm using a Word document. I'll click here. Then we have to select the type. This is a Type 9600 MS Word 2013. And I'll put in my email address. And click Upload. When you buy time, you're purchasing the amount of time that we use to attempt to recover your password. The more time you purchase, the better the chance you have of recovering your password. You can pay via PayPal or Bitcoin. And we have to enter the email address again and place the order. Now, once Hashcat finishes hashing out your password, it'll send an email message to the address you provided. So we're going to give this some time to work, and we're going to come back to it. Yeah, here we go. I got 2 unread messages, and here we are, right on, password 123. If you need help, we have a dedicated support department which you can contact on our support page. And of course, not only do we have this website, but you can also find us on the Google Play Store. Just search for Hashcat. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you later.